folks, Michael McGee here. This is one of my most popular videos of the year, and it's because I don't know why. Potatoes, they're popular. People like to eat them, I guess. Maybe it's French fries, I don't know. Maybe it's because Grace has started coming and helping us dig them, and the boys. And this time, their mama's gonna help. I've got all my boys. They're tying on the plow. We're fixing to get out there and get going. Yesterday, I jumped out there and I bush hogged after we got that silage corn cut, and here's how that went. We're in the shade. We've got a breeze. We better hurry because that ain't gonna last. Let's go.
We got vole problems. Eating them all up.
I did.
think I seen one get covered right there.
Yeah, look at that.
I think I seen one get covered. No? It got that
Look at
crack.
that crunch. Ooh, look at it's crunched it. Yeah. Crunched it.
problem here.
You want to pour them into this bucket?
window.
Oh.
Go right back. So what is it?
This is the one you're grabbing, right?
Man, we got a lot of bucket potatoes. That is a lot throwing in like half done.
16.
This side. Oh, you hard soul.
Got to carry these heavy booties.
I don't care. Look it. Sorry.
Alright, you got back.
No. You don't have to. Where'd the shade please go?
I still feel pretty.
The tree.
Shades, big thing. Down in the ditch, see that? Oh, massive.
finally get to get one myself. What do you think, Joel? Did we get a crop?
I think we did.
You think it's as good as last year's?
I think so. I think it's at least as good as last year.
Really?
Caleb, what do you know? The rat and the pig is coming back right at the end. Don't tell them we said that.
The rat and the pig. The rat and the pig. The rat's running away. And David just found a big one. Oh, it got a little shaved, but it's still a nice big one. Wow. Nice.
Well,
All right. Boys and girls, that is a crop right there. Is that all of them?
Yep.
Man, oh man. Well, did you bring some buckets?
yeah, they're in the van.
Okay, we'll drive up there and fill them up for you.
Thank you.
Man, oh man, I think we might have more red ones than white ones. Yep. We planted half and half. That is good looking stuff. Man, oh man. Some of the sizes on these, just incredible. That looks like a store-bought tater. It's so pretty. Man, oh man. Wow. Well, let's see. Can we guess how much weight? What does one of these weigh? Reckon, Joe, one of these small.
Edge of the thing, but I don't know if that. It says on here.
That's a tree pot, though. It ain't gonna say weight. What do you think it weighs, Miss Katie?
Do we have scales in the truck?
Is that 20, 30,
15, maybe 20 pounds. That's what I'd guess it.
20? Let's go 20. Times 34, I think it is.
20 times 34.
Yeah.
That would be 340 and 340.
680.
680 pounds. That is not bad. Out of 100 pounds of seed, almost 700 pounds of taters out of 100 pounds of seed. We can live with that. And it took us an hour and 20 minutes, or hour and 30 minutes to dig all of these. This is by far the best we ever did, thanks to Grace, her brothers, and her mom, because we would have never got them picked up that quick. Not a chance in this world. Well, goodness. Thank you, boys. Where's them boys at? There's one of them. Where's Hunter? Hiding. Hiding behind Grace.
It's a lot more fun when you can do it with your buddies too.
That makes a big difference. You know it?
Yeah.
Having friends to help on a hard job makes it so much better. Now, Grace said digging taters is one of her favorite things. Is it still one of her favorite things?
Yeah, it's fun. Much better than fencing.
Much better than fencing. Well, I don't blame you there. I had to agree. All right, folks, there you have it. The taters are dug. This is 2026. I think it is as good of a crop as we had last year. This hillside, this is the second year we grew potatoes on the hillside. That was about four years ago, something like that. And that was the first crop we ever grew on the hillside, and we haven't had this hillside free of crops ever since. We've been laying it on it. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, but that's all we got for you today. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Beautiful. Now we got to find something to put over them.